Hi everyone, welcome to Samaya Living YouTube channel. I'm Jyoti Khatri. Winters are here and this is my second video on winters. In first video I spoke about winter diet hacks which I use in my personal daily life. But in today's video I'm going to share 4 wonderful acupressure points for preventing cold, or if you have cold then you can just get rid of it. When winter comes, the incidences of getting or catching cold increases. But when you stimulate these 4 points, you just prevent yourself and you'll be away from cold for better. If you haven't seen that winter diet hack, then I'm sure you should watch that video because you will learn a lot of things about the food. How you can heal yourself from the food during these winters and improve your glow, keep yourself warm, prevent yourself from the cold and all those seasonal disease. And in this video you'll be learning healing hacks which will help to prevent cold and the other seasonal things that happens with us. Now let's get started. The first acupressure point is located at the back of the corner of your eye, the point where your eyebrow ends. So usually when cold occurs, our hands automatically goes to that temple area. So when cold occurs, just bring your finger to the temple and massage it clockwise for about 2 minutes. And then massage counterclockwise for about 2 minutes. Adjust the pressure accordingly. Start with the light pressure first and then increase it. You'll be able to feel that stimulating pain when you massage these points. The second acupressure point is located right next to the nose in the nasolabial groove. So when you find this point, just press it lightly. Press it. So say about 1 minute. You have to stimulate this on both the sides of your nose. This point is quite useful to dispel the wind, helps to open the nasal passage and clear excess of heat from the body. Also quite useful for nasal congestion. So usually when one loses the smell or taste, or if one is having nasal discharge or sinus issue, nasal polyps, sinus, or any sort of allergies, then this point is useful in that situations. So just keep stimulating this point for 1 minute at least, and you'll see you'll be able to breathe better. The third acupressure point is located behind your neck, nape region, below the occiput. So you'll find the depression in the region where your hairburn exists. You have to stimulate on both the sides. You can stimulate it with either with the thumb or index finger. Slightly massage this point for about 1 minute on both the sides. This acupressure point is really useful point for dispelling excess of wind, clear the head, really useful for your eyes, nose, ears, and also useful in relieving the pain. So when one is suffering from common cold, nasal congestion, headache, any sort of swelling or pain in eyes, then stimulate this point properly. If someone is experiencing pain in the neck, or the mobility of the shoulder has reduced, try this point. It will be quite useful for that. So try this wonderful point whenever you experience any sort of headache, neck pain and shoulder tension. Just by applying slight pressure on this point, you'll be able to relieve your headache, pain, and all the tension and pain associated in other body parts also. The fourth acupressure point is really useful for any sort of neck pain, stiffness, fever, cough, asthma, common cold, or back pain, especially the upper back. It helps to activate the body self-healing power. This acupressure point is located at the center of your spine, where your 7th cervical vertebra ends, approximately at the level of your shoulder. You have to apply the firm pressure here. You can use your thumb, finger or palms, sides of your hands or knuckles to apply steady pressure for about 1 to 2 minutes. When you apply the pressure on these points, the pressure has to be firm enough so that it hurts a little. So on the parts where our muscles are more developed, there we have to apply more pressure. Sometimes you may experience extreme sensitivity or pain, but don't worry, gradually it will start decreasing. Adjust the pressure accordingly. You have to find the balance between pain and the pleasure. So there you have it, your own self-healing, or you can say self-care ritual in this winter season to prevent not only cold but headache and whatever issues that we experience during this winter season. How did you find this video? I hope you like this video. Hit the like button below. Do share this video with everyone who might find it useful. Also comment down below the topics you want to see in the future videos. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.